talk on something that show. Don't forget, so we get Chukudi, aka MORIENTEZ, aka the chemist man. But wait, so it means you don't forget all the school fees your papa pay.
For that chemistry.
For chemistry, you don't go like that.
What do you want to take? No, I mean you get plans for this. Maybe any plans, so maybe
no. Leave her making answer.
You can never know. You can never know.
So you fit. It could maybe.
No. But the thing we say, nowadays, say we know they go school to actually do what we study.
What we study for school exactly.
Yeah. Why you take past that chemistry? Because it hard for me for school.
Book now. See if we share.
So.
All those electron and electron.
The guy goes book.
So basically, what is school they do for us right now? Not to open our eyes
to facts about life and things.
Yeah, to broaden our horizon and everything. Now what is school they help us do right now? Because most people go study this. You go see people who study engineering. Go they do banker.
Yes,
so basically, now just to make you aware of so many things because school good though.
Mo, this call won't come. You go tell us about your single way there around. Hello, Naya. Good evening.
Katim, good evening.
Hey, what's up, girl? Good evening.
I just called to report Nedu to you first.
What did he do?
One Nedu to stop being serious. If he's serious, he's going to fit him.
Okay.
Yes.
But he's here now, and they hear you.
I don't want to talk to him. Just warn him on my behalf.
Okay. Consider him warned. Yes!
Okay.
Let me warn you. Let me warn you because I've been given authority to warn you.
Why?
Don't be ever serious in your life.
Is he serious?
Because he don't use to fit you. Now you say he don't use to fit you.
Back to the matter.
Jare.
What is it your name again? Mauritius.
MORIENTEZ.
Mauritius.
Moringa.
My brother Chukudi.
I hail you, Mama. I greet you. I did.
You represent your people well.
You know everything now.
Keep on doing the good work.
Thank you, Mama.
As maybe they fry the egg, now so think of the reflect for easy big face for that corner. Easy big, I greet you.
I greet you too.
Now well done.
Naya, good night, Abe.
Maybe you never invite Precious Emmanuel come this studio.
Precious Emmanuel. Okay, that guy for Instagram. Ingo come. When he come Lagos, the guy is sing pieces. Even come Lagos, Ingo come the show. Ask off, he go come.
Precious Emmanuel.
Wait, the guy is a singist. Yeah, I go pieces. Tell us about your new song when you say there. Okay,
the new song named One More Night.
One more night.
One more night, baby, give me one.
Live up now your song.
No, I'll go to one more night.
From a good evening. You want wasting song now?
No, you know one more night.
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, man.
Fine.
In a pottery.
In a pottery.
Yeah, for
your TV there to live Valentine.
Really good that. To go low now.
How to go low?
Yeah. I think that one now. Can't go, man.
I pass one now.
Emilia.
I pass. Chukwu no kwa here. I pass.
Chukwu na onye ke Chineke na ọ na-efu.
Okay, because no na za MORIENTEZ.
MORIENTEZ, don't you follow her name?
That is the stage name.
Na ya za her name. Ona tu bi her name ni mo here.
Valentine, thank you. Good night. Peace before you sleep. Peace, bed, not peace for bed.
Good night.
Back to one more night because we get like 2 or 3 minutes to come off for studio.
One more night. Yeah, one more night. The new song. Tayoke, now you shoot the video.
Okay.
Yeah, and we released for Banana Island.
Oh. Okay.
We released the song like last month.
Okay.
Yeah, last month.
You never take?
Yeah, last month.
It's a fresh piece of work.
Yeah, and the song so far has been doing very well. Very on radio.
For those who would like get the song, download the song, where they go fit download the song?
You do on all music platforms and on all blogs, music blogs. You can go on.
Not just okay. 360.
If you use iPhone, you go iTunes.
Okay, you go see for
Spotify.
Okay.
Amazon. Google
my brother
Play,
now. Those guys are
everywhere.
1073
is not joking.
1073 is not. They put them everywhere.
1073 will answer. What does 1073?
Now, we not get time to know.
No, say he never answer that.
He go answer. Maybe he no. For those who want to follow us, follow you for Twitter, Instagram, and the rest of them. Have we know where they go follow you?
At MORIENTEZ 234.
At MORIENTEZ 234.
Why not MORIENTEZ 1077?
What's the spelling of the MORIENTEZ?
MORIENTEZ 234.
When you think about that Spain footballer, Fernando Morientes, don't think about him.
Z for the end, no be S.
But you know, say you resemble Hank Sanook with the act Nigerian film.
God.
No, the Igbo must die tonight.
It doesn't get
The Igbo must die tonight. Why you not enter? If
you know, saying they do one agona too.
Yeah.
You don't even talk that one agona one.
Why not enter Nigerian film? But if you enter Nigerian film, you go good. You go fake kiss Genevieve.
Why will they go high?
Yeah, Genevieve,
Why be only Genevieve?
Tire pieces. Genevieve, Rita Dominique.
Messi Johnson.
No, Miss Johnson, no.
No, why?
Miss Johnson, Joe. Genevieve. If you hold Genevieve, come hold her like this.
No, why Genevieve?
Juliet Ibrahim, Ruki Sanda. He don't shake head. He don't Yeah, in the head.
Bye.
Nadia Buhari.
It's okay.
Also,
Leave her, make it talk.
Also, if you want to know anything about 1073 Records,
Go website.
go www.1073records.
Now the number.
Yeah, 1073 records.com.
Go to www.1073.com. The fee sign us very soon because we are busting like a bus table.
like combustible.
Like combustible. Anyway, double twale to all of them when we say call us, double twale to Morientes, we can waka come, and also to everybody for 1073 with the hello now. And also Boko carry the video of Morientes come out from inside studio. Till tomorrow relationship honesty. Pastor go there tomorrow for una question. Maturity and communication in relationship. Una good night. One more.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.